In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Docs to Microsoft Word using Google Drive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first step you want to do is to open your Google Drive account. You can do this by going to your web browser and typing in drive.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account where you have your documents stored. Once you're in, it's time to find the Google Doc that you want to convert. You can scroll through your Drive or use the search bar at the top to make things quicker. Just type in the name of the document if you happen to know it, and it should pop right up. Once you locate the file, go ahead and double-click on it. This will open the document in a new tab. Now that you have the document open, move your cursor towards the left side of your screen. You should see a menu bar at the top. This is where we'll be doing the majority of our work today. Look for the option that says File. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see several options, but the one we're interested in right now is the option for downloading. So go ahead and move your cursor down to Download. When you hover over that, another little menu will slide out to the side. Now here's the magic part. You want to select Microsoft Word .docx from this menu. Click on it, and what's going to happen is that Google Docs will start the conversion process. Just give it a moment. You'll see a pop-up at the bottom of your screen showing that the file is downloading. Now that the download is complete, go ahead and check your computer's Downloads folder. You'll find the document is saved as a Word file. You can now open it in Microsoft Word or any other compatible application you prefer. And there you have it. You have successfully converted your Google Doc to a Microsoft Word document. It's really that simple. This is especially useful if you need to share your document with someone who uses Windows, or if you just prefer working in Microsoft Word. If you ever need to do this again, just remember the steps. Open your Google Drive, find your file, download it as a Word document, and you're set. So whether you're a student needing to submit assignments, a professional preparing reports, or just someone looking to share documents easily, this method can save you a lot of time and hassle. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content. Enjoy your day and happy documenting.